Good evening, guys and girls. This is Tanay from Team Tanay at Reliance Real Estate in Werribee. I really apologize for coming this late at 9:37 for the weekly market wrap for what happened in the marketplace for Wyndham Vale and Manor Lakes. Actually, this is one of our best week, I would say, which was a testing week because Victoria is going through a really tough time with the cases of COVID have really increased. And some of the suburbs here have gone into lockdown. A lot of fear out there, but the increase in COVID doesn't impact the market in Wyndham Vale and Manor Lakes. In fact, the number of groups who have came up this week for inspections, for inspections, have been increased a lot. And this week is better than last week was 25. And this week we had 38 groups. Buyers came up for open for inspections today, out of which the hottest properties, I would say the total number of open home in our suburb today was 84 open homes, out of which we conducted 26. We had 38 groups came up in total, out of which the hottest properties were number 30 Arrowhead Street had six groups, 69 Vaughan Chase, 579 square meter block. The property built on 34 squares, 4-bedroom living theater and much more, had 4 groups there, and 760 Armstrong Road. Now, I just want to talk about this property. It's walking distance from train station. This is an off-market property. We had an appraisal done 2 days ago. There were 7 other agents coming on that property as well for an appraisal. But what happened? The agent with the most market knowledge, most market share, money or more energy wants the listing. And what we did an off-market inspection today with 7 groups on 760 Armstrong Road, and bang, what happened? And that's why I got late to do this market wrap. Just before that, we were negotiating with 3 different buyers on that property off-market. It's now under contract. We will reveal the price next week. Stay tuned for that results. After this market wrap, I have to go back to the vendors for the offer to be signed as well. Now, it's already been accepted. We won the listing on the spot because vendors were devastated. It was saying 7 groups straight away. Word of mouth on 760 Armstrong Road today. So we had 7 groups on that. We had 3 groups on 69 Vaughan Chase, 30 Arrowhead Street had 6 groups as well. We also had new listings this week, and there are many more coming next week which we're launching. Now, 3 different listings we had. It's number 9 Firecrest for east-facing people. East-facing properties, like the people who want east-facing houses. It's 448 square meter block with 23 square building with 3 bedrooms, study and 2 living areas, 5.5 years old house, coming in a great price guide between 560 to 575. We also had number 33 Holyoke Parade, again good product for first home buyers, 448 square meter block, north facing property with 3 bedroom and a study, price guide between 555 to 570. We also launched, as I said, we won the listing pretty much on the spot after doing an off-market inspection, which is 760 Armstrong Road, which is now under contract as well. Guys, one thing we learned today is people buy the houses based upon their life, but not based upon the market. And the people who came today, they're all living in, most of them were living in CBD, in apartments, and they're paying heavy rents out there, and they understand that buying a property at this time is a better time, because to save rent, as rent money is dead money. Guys, I would say enjoy the rest of your evening, and I'll come back next week with more updates. If anyone out there who thinks that they want a guidance regarding selling their house, whether this is the right time or not, or they think that there's very less buyers out there in the market, please give Team Tanay a call for more information and to discuss in detail about it. I would say there's a lot of buyers coming in Wyndham Vale and Manor Lakes at this time. And give us a call. We are there 24/7. We are doing some inspections tomorrow as well as Sunday. We are always there for you. Till then, I would say enjoy rest of your evening. I'll come back with the next week market wrap. Sorry, I have in a rush at the moment because I have to go back and see this vendor and get this offer closed. Thank you and have a nice day. God bless all. Thanks.